Welcome to Better with Byler's. Today we're making a creamy, crunchy, easy, delicious macaroni salad in under 15 minutes. Let's get cooking. The first thing we have to do for macaroni salad is get our water boiling. So we'll put this on the stovetop, medium-high heat, and let that come up to a boil. And this is really a macaroni salad that has a lot of veggies, so it's kind of a crossover between macaroni salad and pasta salad. So let's get chopping on those. This is the oldest trick in the book, and still there are people that are not doing it. So in order to keep your cutting board from sliding around your work surface, all you have to do is you don't have to buy another cutting board with those fancy schmancy suction cups. No, just put a wet paper towel or towel underneath your cutting board. There you go. 1, 2, 3, slip resistance. First we have some carrots. There's no real recipe with this salad. You can really just add as many veggies as you want. You measure those with your heart. Small little bite-sized pieces. 1 to 2 stalks of celery. 1 bell pepper, and then some green onions or scallions. I like this gentle onion flavor, but you could use any onion that you like. Plus, I think these little rings are just so pretty in your macaroni salad. Half in our bowl and half off to the side to garnish. Our water's boiling, so let's drop our pasta. And something fun I really like to do in the summer with macaroni salad is add corn. So fresh corn from the farmer's market. And I'm gonna drop that in the boiling water right alongside the pasta. It will cook, we'll cut it off the cob, and we'll mix it into the macaroni salad. So about a pound of pasta, any pasta that you like, and we'll add 2 corn cobs. I'm going to set the timer on my oven because I want to cook that pasta 1 or 2 minutes short of what the package tells me to. Macaroni salad is always better the next day, so I'm often making this ahead of time. And in order to avoid a mushy, globby mess, I actually make a little bit of an al dente pasta, a little bit just undercooked, and that way the next day it's just absolutely perfect. All right, we'll let that come up to a boil and we'll make our sauce. The base of the sauce with macaroni salad is the Byler's Last of the Garden. This is a really fun product, so any veggies that are left over from the garden that don't make it into the general Byler's product line go into this product. So we have almost like a mayo veggie seasoned spread. It's really phenomenal. I'm gonna pop that into the food processor just to break up those chunks of veggies a little bit. We're using about a cup and a half. And of course this is fine just the way it is, but I'm going to add a little bit of yogurt just to give it a little extra tang and flavor. 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper. We'll pulse that up. And the pasta's done. Good timing, pasta. We'll set the corn cobs off to the side, let those cool down a minute, and we'll add our pasta right into our veggies. Cut the corn off the cob carefully. I know corn is kind of a unique ingredient for macaroni salad, but I just love to add it, especially in the summer. Every corner that I turn, I see a farm stand with corn here in Pennsylvania, and it just adds this little pop of sweetness with each and every bite. Just really something special. I needed a bigger bowl. We'll pour our sauce over the salad. All those chunks of veggies, so good. Last and final ingredient is bread and butter pickle relish. Now this sounds bizarre, but this was actually suggested via a review on the Byler's Relish House website. Someone said they add relish to their macaroni salad, and guess what? It works. It's delicious. It will forever be my secret ingredient for macaroni salad. Toss it all together, top it with some green onions. I mean, it's just gorgeous. All those colors, the red, the orange, the green, the yellow. Time for a taste. This is great just as is, but if you want to make this ahead of time for a weekday lunch, add some chickpeas or eggs for a little added protein, and then it's like a one-stop shop. You have lunch in a bowl. Going to get a little bit of everything on my fork. That creamy Last of the Garden really comes through, and then you have this sweet bread and butter pickle relish to cut through it. It's just spectacular. Summer in a bowl. Definitely make this recipe. You can find it at bylersrelishhouse.com. That's where you can also buy your relish and your Last of the Garden jars. Like, comment, and don't forget to follow along. See you next time.